Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a quick beautiful short crochet hairstyle and a budget friendly hairstyle that will last you for about 2 to 3 weeks or more if you decide to keep it a bit longer. So first and first, we're going to start with the braid pattern. So for me, I'm going with a side part braid pattern. You can do all back if you prefer that, but I'm going for a side part crochet pattern. So for the back pattern, I usually do the zigzag braid. So as I braid along, I add the end of the braid to the next row as I braid along. But since today's hairstyle will be a super short hairstyle, I'm going to be doing the zigzag braid pattern a little bit different. So I'm going to be cornrowing each of the cornrow all the way to the tip. I'm going to braid it all the way to the tip. So next, I'm going to be crocheting the end of the previous braid through the base of the one above it. So this will help me to maintain the flat braid pattern for the back because I don't want any bumpy braid for the back pattern. As you can see right here, I'm just pulling the hair through the base of the braid right there. So now I'm going to be adding this to the next row. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the process of the braid pattern, and I'll be back once it's time for the next step. And also real quick, don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Okay, so this is the braid pattern for the crochet hairstyle. So moving on to the hair, like I said, we're only using one pack of braiding hair for the hairstyle today. So this is the 28-inch Afro Kinky Coily braiding hair, and in the pack there are 8 strands of the coily hair. So to get this started, you want to go ahead and take the braiding hair, the 28-inch braiding hair, and cut it in half. Okay, so you want to go ahead and cut it in half. So next, you're going to be cutting each of those half into 4 equal length. Okay, I'm going to say that again. First, you want to start by cutting the 28-inch Afro Kinky braiding hair in half. Next, you're going to cut each of those half into 4 equal lengths. Okay, so first and first, we're going to be crocheting crocheting the hair around the perimeter braid. So when doing this, you want to make sure to space it out a bit. You can use like a 1 finger space between each crochet hair. So this will help you to crochet the hair all the way and also maintain the space. Since the hair is coily, once you're done crocheting the hair, when you fluff it out, it's going to cover up any space. It's always best to space it out at the beginning, and if you have some hair left at the end, you can come back and let the space than not having enough hair. So this is the first half of the hair, and now I'm going to be cutting the second half of the 28-inch Afro Kinky braiding hair. So I went ahead and did that off camera. Right now, I'm just going ahead to fill in the space. So remember when I said earlier that you should space out the space out the hair when crocheting on the perimeter braid? I did not do that. I was too excited about the hair that I completely ignored the part of spacing out the hair. So getting to the front, I was like, oh, this hair is not going to be enough. I'm still looking at the amount of hair I have left. So at this point, I only have 1 strand all the coily hair left. And you see the amount of space that's in the front. I was like, oh my God, this is not going to be enough. So I decided I'm going to be taking down some of the crochet hair I've already crocheted at the back in order to finish the front of the crochet braid. So right here, I'm looking around hoping to find some magical strands of the coily hair laying around the floor, but there was nothing. Nothing. So right here, I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to undo some of this. Take a couple from the back and use it for the front. All right, again, real quick, if you haven't given the video a big thumbs up yet, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Okay, I'm gonna start with this two first and see if I need more. I'm gonna cut this in half, okay, and fill in the space. I actually went back and removed a couple more now to finish up the front. So definitely next time I will be more careful and stick to the plan of spacing out the hair as I crochet the hair at the beginning. I didn't know why I skipped that point. So this is the back. So like I said, if you space it out properly, once you fluff out the hair, it will cover up any space that you can see through your mirror because it's coily. Naturally, it will, once you fluff it out, it will fill up any gap. So for the trimming of the hair, if you don't feel comfortable trimming it yourself, you can ask someone to help you do the trimming. You can take care of the front and then let them help you with the back. I've been doing this for a very long time, so I'm used to cutting my own hair or trimming my own crochet braid. So yeah, as you can see, it's already looking good, coming out together. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so the hair is how the hair is looking so far. So right now I'm going in with some hair cream and I'm applying that to the hair and I'm just going to work it in and help to fluff out the hair a little bit more to close up any gap that might be there. And like I said earlier, this hairstyle will last you about 2 to 3 weeks or more if you decide to keep it a bit longer. So this is it right here. I'm definitely going to be redoing this with a different hair color because how beautiful it is and it's perfect for the summer season. All right guys, so this is the final result. We have come to the end of the video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.